Hey guys, it's Jennifer from Breakthrough Maths and welcome to this video on the introduction to sets. So in this video, I'll talk you through all the different types of notation that you will need to be familiar with to do all of the types of exam questions on Venn diagrams and sets. So the first symbol here is an element of. So for example, we can say 1 is an element of A. So that means 1 is in the set A. Or we could say 4 is an element of B. Okay, on to the next one. We have not an element. So this just means that it is E with a line through it. So we could say 4 is not an element of A. That's because it's an element of B. So that's the second symbol done. Next we have a subset of. So for example, let's say the number 4 was no longer in the set B. Then we could say that B is a subset of A because everything that's in B is already in A. Okay, next one, we have not a subset. So this is just going to be the opposite. Then we have union, which as you can see from the diagram shaded in red, it means everything in A and B. So A union B would be the numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then the intersection, which is in the shape of an upside down U or an N, that is just what is in between in the middle for both of them. So what do they share? So in this case, they share the number 3. So 3 is in their intersection. Then the next symbol is a dash, which means without. So if we'd A without B, we would just have 1 and 2 because 3 is a pair to B. So if we wanted A without any of B, it would just be 1 and 2. Then we have 0 or 0 with the line through it, or an open set like this with the nothing in it. And that just means a set without any elements at all in it. It's empty. Then if we have A complement, that means everything except A. So A complement would be 4 in this case. Everything except what is in the circle A. If we had B complement, which is everything that's not in the circle B, everything except B, we would have 1 and 2. Okay, then we have the universal set. So that's every element in the Venn diagram. So here again, it's 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then finally, we have a hashtag symbol, which means cardinal number. And that means the number of elements in the set. So the cardinal number of A would be 3 because there's 1, 2, 3 numbers in it. And the cardinal number of B would be 2 because it has 2 numbers, 3 and 4.